This video covers 25 essential questions on freeway driving directly from the MTO Driver's Handbook. Watch until the end, every question is important and can help you pass on your first try. Question 1. Which vehicles are eligible for a green license plate? A. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. B. Full battery electric vehicles. C. Both A and B. D. Vehicles operated through steam engines. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Explanation. Green plates are available for eligible plug-in hybrid electric vehicles and full battery electric vehicles. Question 2. What are the benefits of HOV lanes? A. They improve highway infrastructure by moving more people in fewer cars. B. They reduce the number of vehicles on the road. C. They encourage carpooling and transit use by providing a more reliable trip time. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Explanation. HOV lanes benefit all drivers by improving highway infrastructure, reducing the number of vehicles on the road, and encouraging carpooling and transit use, which leads to a more reliable trip time, reduced emissions, and improved air quality. Question 3. What must a driver do before entering a highway from a private road or driveway? A. Enter or cross the highway as quickly as possible. B. Yield right-of-way to all vehicles approaching on the highway. C. Sound the horn and proceed with caution. D. Give a hand signal, then take the right-of-way. The correct answer is B. Yield right-of-way to all vehicles approaching on the highway. Explanation. When entering a highway from a private road or driveway, the driver must yield the right-of-way to all vehicles that are approaching on the highway to ensure safety. Question 4. Which of the following vehicles are exempted from the HOV lane rules? A. Buses, regardless of the number of passengers. B. Emergency vehicles such as police, fire, and ambulance. C. Any vehicle carrying more than 2 passengers. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is D. Both A and B. Explanation. Certain vehicles are exempt from the HOV lane rules. Buses can use an HOV lane at any time, regardless of the number of occupants. Emergency vehicles, such as police, fire, and ambulances, are exempt from the restrictions. Question 5. How should you enter a freeway? A. By signaling well before entering the traffic and then gradually accelerate to merge into the traffic. B. By coming to a complete stop and then waiting for an opening to quickly merge into the traffic. C. By accelerating quickly so that you can enter the freeway at high speed. D. None of these. The correct answer is A. By signaling well before entering the traffic and then gradually accelerate to merge into the traffic. Explanation. When entering a freeway, you should signal well before merging, then gradually accelerate to match the speed of the traffic and merge safely into the flow of vehicles. Avoid coming to a complete stop or trying to accelerate too quickly. Question 6. Which lane should you use for passing when on a multi-lane freeway? A. Far right lane. B. Far left lane. C. Lane next to the far right lane. D. Lane next to the far left lane. The correct answer is B. Far left lane. Explanation. On a multi-lane freeway, you should use the far left lane to pass slower traffic. However, once you've completed the pass, return to the right-hand lanes when possible to allow smoother traffic flow. Question 7. What is the purpose of the acceleration lane? A. It lets drivers increase their speed to the speed of traffic on the freeway before they merge with it. B. It provides parking space to commercial vehicles. C. It acts as a high-occupancy lane. D. It is specifically for slow-moving vehicles. The correct answer is A. It lets drivers increase their speed to the speed of traffic on the freeway before they merge with it. Explanation. The acceleration lane allows drivers to increase their speed to match the flow of traffic on the freeway before merging. This helps ensure a smooth and safe transition onto the freeway. Always signal and adjust your speed appropriately when merging. Question 8. What are the requirements for commercial motor vehicles to be in the HOV lane? A. They should be less than 6.5 meters in total length. B. They must have 2 or more people in the vehicle. C. Both A and B. D. They must travel over 80 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Explanation. Commercial motor vehicles can use the HOV lane if they meet 2 conditions. They must have 2 or more people in the vehicle and be less than 6.5 meters in total length. Question 9. A high-occupancy vehicle lane is specially designed for A. Vehicles carrying at least 2 people. B. Large commercial vehicles. C. Slow-moving vehicles. D. Fast-moving vehicles. The correct answer is A. Vehicles carrying at least 2 people. Explanation. HOV lanes on provincial highways are reserved for vehicles carrying at least 2 people, for example, a driver plus at least 1 passenger in any of the following passenger vehicles: cars, minivans, motorcycles, pickup trucks, and buses. Question 10. Single-occupant taxis, airport limousines, and any vehicle with the green license plate in the HOV lanes are A. Restricted. B. Permitted. C. Dangerous. D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Permitted. Explanation. Single-occupant taxis and airport limousines are permitted in the HOV lane. Vehicles with the green license plate are permitted in the HOV lane with any number of occupants. Question 11. What should you do when moving along a freeway entrance ramp? A. You should scan ahead to see where you will move into the freeway lane. B. You should signal well before merging with the traffic. C. You should keep a check on your blind spots and mirrors. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Explanation. When on a freeway entrance ramp, scan the traffic ahead, signal early, and continuously check your mirrors and blind spots to ensure a safe merge into the freeway lane. Question 12. Which of the following statements is true for large trucks on a multi-lane freeway? A. They are not allowed to travel over 40 kilometers per hour. B. They are not allowed to travel in the far left lane. C. They are not allowed to travel in the far right lane. D. They are not allowed to enter high occupancy lane. The correct answer is B. They are not allowed to travel in the far left lane. Explanation. On many freeways with 3 or more lanes in each direction, large trucks cannot travel in the far left lane and must use the lane to the right for passing. Get into the habit of driving in the right lane, leaving the other lanes clear for passing. Question 13. Cutting in front of fast-moving vehicles is A. Illegal. B. Dangerous. C. Both A and B. D. Applauded. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Explanation. Be careful not to cut off any vehicle, large or small, when making a lane change or joining the flow of traffic. It is dangerous and illegal for a slower-moving vehicle to cut in front of a faster-moving vehicle. Question 14. What should you remember when leaving the freeway? A. Do not slow down before moving into the deceleration lane. B. Signal well before entering the deceleration lane. C. Both A and B. D. Come to a complete stop before proceeding through the exit ramp. The correct answer is C, both A and B. Explanation. When leaving the freeway, signal early before entering the deceleration lane, and avoid slowing down until you're in the lane. Then, gradually reduce speed to match the posted exit ramp speed. Question 15. Which of the following is a part of the freeway exit? A. Deceleration lane. B. Exit ramp. C. An intersection with a stop sign, yield sign, or traffic light. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Explanation. There are usually three parts to a freeway exit: a deceleration lane for slowing down that leads drivers out of the main flow of traffic, an exit ramp, and an intersection with a stop sign, yield sign, or traffic light. Question 16. What should you do when driving along a freeway? A. You should maintain your speed. B. You should keep scanning ahead. C. You should keep in the right lane. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Explanation. Once on the freeway, you must travel at a steady speed while keeping to your right, look forward, and anticipate what lies on the road ahead. Question 17. What should you do when you miss a freeway exit? A. You should turn around to take the same exit. B. You should take the next exit. C. You should keep changing lanes. D. You should come to a complete stop. The correct answer is B. You should take the next exit. Explanation. If you miss an exit, do not stop or reverse on the freeway. Simply take the next exit. Question 18. How should you exit a major roadway or highway safely? A. Plan ahead, move into the deceleration lane, reduce your speed, and turn. B. Plan ahead, get into the proper lane, use your turn signal well in advance, continue at a high speed in the deceleration lane, and then turn. C. Plan ahead, get into the proper lane, use your turn signal well in advance, reduce your speed, exit, and then turn off your turn signal. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Plan ahead, get into the proper lane, use your turn signal well in advance, reduce your speed, exit, and then turn off your turn signal. Explanation. Plan ahead, get into the proper lane, use your turn signal well in advance, reduce your speed, exit, and then turn off your turn signal. Question 19. Where should pedestrians walk on a highway? A. Out of the curb line facing traffic. B. Out of the curb line in the direction of traffic. C. Down the center line. D. They should not walk on a highway. The correct answer is A. Out of the curb line facing traffic. Explanation. Pedestrians on a highway should normally walk facing traffic out of the curb line. Question 20. What happens in a condition called speed adaptation or velocitization? A. You lose the ability to judge the speed of your vehicle. B. You have decreased reflexes. C. Your blood alcohol levels are increased. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. You lose the ability to judge the speed of your vehicle. Explanation. Losing your ability to judge your speed accurately is sometimes called speed adaptation or velocitization. Check your speedometer to make sure you are going slowly enough. You may not realize how fast you are going because you are used to the high speed of the freeway. Question 21. Highway 407 is A. The longest highway in Ontario. B. A new highway. C. An express toll route, pay toll highway. D. An expressway to the USA. The correct answer is C. An express toll route, pay toll highway. Explanation. Highway 407 is an express toll route, pay toll highway. Question 22. Why should you stay clear of large vehicles? A. They are fast-moving vehicles. B. They can block your view more than other vehicles. C. They are large in size. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. They can block your view more than other vehicles. Explanation. You must stay clear of large vehicles because of their size. They block your view more than other vehicles. Leaving space around your vehicle will let you see clearly in every direction and give you time and space to react. Question 23. What are the two main parts of a freeway entrance? A. Entrance ramp and an acceleration lane. B. High occupancy lane and a high-speed road. C. Acceleration lane and a multi-lane road. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Entrance ramp and an acceleration lane. Explanation. There are usually two parts to a freeway entrance, an entrance ramp and an acceleration lane. Question 24. Which lane should you use on a freeway? A. Center line of the lanes. B. Left lane. C. Right lane. D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Right lane. Explanation. Once on the freeway, always keep in the right lane. The left lanes are used for passing. Question 25. Who is prohibited from driving on 400 series highways where the speed limit exceeds 80 km per hour? A. A driver with a G1 license. B. A driver that is carrying a passenger. C. A driver who is 25 years old or less. D. A driver of a large commercial truck. The correct answer is A. A driver with a G1 license. Explanation. Those with a G1 driver's license are prohibited from driving on 400 series highways with speed limits exceeding 80 km per hour.